Hey friends, welcome to the Great Thinkers channel. All of us have the thought of being happy, but the problem is, we're pretending to be happy to create a good moment. This is our first failure to be happy. Generally, most of us were blindly thinking that being happy is the factor of gold by working so hard, getting married and earn income. We are trying so hard to create a happiness equation by fulfill all these aspects above. Meanwhile, we are considering the happiness as end goal, and it is the major drawback of not being happy. So, we need to be considered in our mind that happiness shouldn't take it as end goal. Instead of it, all we have to do is to be happy in our life journey. Today, I'm going to reveal about how to start our life journey happy in fresh ways. The number 1, have a happiness journal. In life, if you want to stay happy, all you got to do is write or list down a short note about your happiness feelings throughout the days. This is one of the ways to amplify your happiness throughout your life journey. Moreover, if you ever feel low or sad, all you got to remind yourself that you have to be happy no matter in any situation or consequences that you are facing. The number 2 is to find your Ikigai. The meaning of Ikigai means reason for being, and it's a Japanese word. As per Japanese philosophy, if you find out the reason for being alive or your niche of being alive, you're enabled to spend your life with no stress and you can be happier. In Japan, there is a place called as Okinawa. The majority of people are living happily without any stress, and scientifically proven that they live for longer period of years. These people are staying healthy by following the concept of Ikigai. If you have the mindset of finding your Ikigai, all you got to do is satisfy the 4 aspects of life cycle, such as what you love, what the world needs, what you can be paid for, and what are you good at. If you reach these 4 major goals in your life, that's your Ikigai. If you are happily making a passive income by lead your life, it will become positivity and you won't be having any sign of stress. And in order to stay happy, as always, I will post more about this Ikigai concepts in future video, and it will be more beneficial for you to understand. Number 3, the retirement is a man-made concept. Let me tell you a story about there was a small fishing village in Mexico, and a businessman went to the village for a vacation with the advice of his personal doctor due to the high level of stress and cortisol. So, this businessman was doing a sightseeing nearby the boat stock places to get a fresh air. Apparently, there was a Mexican fisherman who was trawling for huge amount of fishes, and he planned to park his boat at the dock. After a few minutes, the businessman asked the fisherman that how long it took for him to trawl all these fishes, and the fisherman answered, it wasn't that long period of time. Then, the businessman asked him back, if it take less time to catch all the fishes, why don't you trawl for more fish? So, the fisherman replied, it's enough for me and my family and even for my friends. The businessman asked him, what you will be doing during your free time? And the fisherman replied, I will take rest, sleep well and spend time with family, and at evening, I will spend time with my friends by playing guitar. The businessman started to giggle after got to know the answers from the fisherman. So, the businessman told that, sir, I've graduated from Harvard University and I can help you to get rich and wealthy, and you can spend your time on fishing to get more fish. Besides, after trawled plenty of fishes, you need to invest on buying new and bigger boat and increase the quantity of the boat, month after month, year after year. If you have good quantity and quality of fishing boats, you can directly launch a new company of your own, and you can become the finance freedom by avoiding being middle-class person. You can sell more fish and you can buy new equipment to fishing processing packets and directly migrate to city and other places. Later on, you will get rich and you can move from this village to Mexico City to settle your life. Which means you can develop your company in city, and you can fully shift to America by hiring well-educated people to manage your company. After listening to all this advice, the fisherman asked, how long it will take to achieve all these? And the businessman answered, it will take approximately around 15 to 20 years, or maximum will be 25 years to achieve all of these. And then, the fisherman asked him back, what we will be doing after these achievements, sir? Then the businessman replied, if everything goes accordingly, you can announce for IPO for your company and list for share market so you can earn multiple of money income. Moreover, you can earn millions of dollars. Then the fisherman asked back, "What we will doing after earning the millions of dollars, sir?" So, the business answered back, "This will be the best moment of your life to earn plenty of income, and you can retire or even spend more time with your family and friends, even you can go for fishing during your relaxation time." The funniest story of this is, the fisherman has already enjoying his life even though he's in middle class life. From this story, what we get to know that retirement is just a man-made concept. Your life will be stressful and messed up if you chase for the things that you don't like or love, and you'll be yearning for retirement to rest. Therefore, if you do what make you happy, earn enough money to survive, you don't need this retirement concept at all. There's no any fact that you need to be happy at your retirement age, and nobody can be happy. But it doesn't mean that we should make less money or not to do business. If you have the interest to start a business, please go ahead and earn money as much as you can. But by earning money, you need to enjoy your life side by side and do what makes you happy. Because at certain age, you might spend lot of time on work by stressing yourself, and it will be regretful at old age. So, try to earn money by using your passion, and it will be no regrets at all. But even if you are unable to find your Ikigai, just set a milestone during your hard work time, and once you reach the milestone, try to take a break to enjoy your life side by side. Go for mini vacations or take a mini retirement. So, you will feel happy. All this information was publishing from The Happiness Equation book. If you want the free audiobook means you can check our link on the description, or you can purchase the book by clicking on the link as well. If you like our video, please like, subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notification for our future video. Thanks for watching.